This video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. So this is Nino Werner from Vienna, Austria. He has hooked us up today with a little bookstore, comic book, graffiti supply shop, mural. Sounds like a cool spot. And it's called, what's it called?
It's called Bilderbox.
Bilderbox. So we are walking there right now. It's a little bit rainy, but luckily this is an indoor mural. Yeah, see what's up.
So we're gonna have some fun.
So we're gonna have some fun. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll see you at the bookstore. So awesome. This is just free to the public too. Like in the United States, they'd be like, give us some money, you can go inside of there. So do you know what spaces we'll take? Or we all just work together? Or
Whatever you like. It's like I'm open for any.
it could be kind of cool to do. So this is like black and white.
Yeah.
We are sitting in a coffee shop making sketches for our mural. Petra and Nino making cool things. We're gonna have like a guy reading some comic books, and then the pages fly out and morph into all these comic book panels and kind of explore themes of reading and imagination and kind of creating your own world inside of your head. Alright, we are at Bilderbox, super sweet bookstore / graffiti supply company. Kind of limited wall space in here, so we're figuring out where we can put stuff. We're gonna make it work. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. I think I'm gonna take this little sliver right here. I think it'll be my smallest mural on the 1000 euro tour. Yeah.
So you're gonna paint your character here?
Yeah.
I think we can do the flying papers here.
Yeah.
And Peter's gonna paint her. I'm gonna paint the one on the bottom like we had planned.
Yeah.
I think this should work.
Yeah. So all the brushes that I have are a little bit too big for this, so I think I need like a paint marker. I don't know where I'm gonna get a paint marker from though. Maybe right here? So maybe this one. Can I get this? And this is the owner, the man who decided to open a sweet comic book shop / street art supplies / art books / all your favorite things. It's pretty much the coolest shop in the world, right?
Guess so, yeah.
Yeah. It's like €5?
Yeah, it's actually 650.
650?
Actually, you can take it for like nothing.
You sure?
Yeah, it's really, I'm sure.
Oh, thank you so much. Perks, the perks of making art, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
I'm an illustrator from Vienna, Austria, and I love to paint walls. Today I painted together with 1000 and Nino. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. It was really nice and yeah.
So cool. Yeah. So I'm pretty much done with my main character, feeling really good about it. And now I think I'm gonna add a character to Nino's painting, this like demon boat, death rowing down the river Styx, carrying our characters to hell. What do you think?
Yeah, it sounds nice.
All these cans we took off the shelf. Almost done, bro?
Almost done.
name is Malte and I own Builderbox and 10100.
1000.
10100 did a great artwork.
You like it?
I really like it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, man. Thanks for letting us paint here. Boom.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, this place is awesome. If you're ever in Vienna, come to Builderbox. They got comics, graffiti, art books, and a whole lot more. And you might meet this dude right here. Cool, thanks, man.
Welcome.
We are in the first district. We got Louis Vuitton, we got Prada, we got Yves Saint Laurent, we got Brunello Cucinelli. I've never heard of it, but it's probably expensive. I'm about to buy some shit, y'all. Psych. I'm gonna go buy some Louis Vuitton. Thank you, Squarespace. This Louis Vuitton is brought to you by Squarespace. So this is my shoe update. You guys saw them on day 1 back in Seattle. Now we are in Vienna and they've got some paint on them. They're a little rough around the edges, still going strong. But these are the official Europe shoes. They're gonna get way worse. We're at the canal. There's like free walls all around us. Everything is painted and it's amazing. Male model, Mr. Deadbeat Hero, just had a fitting for a commercial he's shooting. I got to see him parade around in a bunch of fancy outfits. And now we're gonna try and go and just do like a half-day paint session and see if we can do something chill and simple on a free wall.
Halfway decent.
Halfway decent, half a day.
Nice chill goodbye mural.
Yeah.
Until next time mural, maybe.
Because we did the mural festival, then I did that big one in Linz, and those were like all organized and high profile. And today I think we're just gonna paint for painting's sake, right?
Yeah, just paint for the fun of it.
Yeah, let's go see how this goes. So we're down here at the spot. Got some cool looking walls up here. There's secret spots.
Goodbye mural, 10 hun, or until we meet again mural. Not a goodbye.
Goodbye Vienna. Da, 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 da. I just wanna paint some more. I'm a survivor. Paint this one. Shout out nobody, anybody. Yeah, let's do it. Rob knows what he's painting. I don't know what I'm painting. I just gotta figure it out, but I'm going black and white. And this is a nice little wall. Don't have to worry too much about sunburns because we're under the bridge right now. Alright, we kind of got a sketch going. Now it's time to start doing some colors, aka black and white. But yeah, got the sketch down. Let's jump into coloring. Hey! Yeah. Look at these first person moves. And we got the people over here.
Yeah. And we got the people over there.
Is that just all chunks of wall you knocked off?
Not all of it.
This wall looks like a fun comic.
Great.
Yeah. It's like a crazy comic or something.
I like the background color with the black
Yeah.
and the white
Yeah.
and the little yellow in it.
Yeah.
It's very good.
I think maybe I should put a little yellow.
Yeah. Maybe the eyes or something like that, or I don't know.
Maybe the beak of the bird can be yellow.
Yeah, very cool.
I'm excited to see this progress, man.
Yeah.
It's looking tight, man. From talking to them over there, it's fucking super fresh. We're just finishing up. It just got really dark really fast. It's my last night in Vienna. It's been amazing here. The Calle Libre Mural Festival. Shooting over to Linz, Austria. Finishing this off with this little, what do you think, 5 hours?
Yeah, it's a little jammer.
Maybe like a little 5-hour little black and white homie time, a little jam. But I just wanted to say peace because I think it's gonna get really dark. Yeah, we're just wrapping it up. It is hailing right now.
Raining ice, bro.
Crazy. Oh, the wind is crazy. Oh my God. Came out of nowhere. These are painting over here, and I guess when it rains, this is what happens. It's like a waterfall. Holy shit. The cans are gonna wash away. Yeah.
Check this out.
Oh snap! Came through the waterfall. We're just trying to do the last finishing touches. Radical! Well, we're just about done, but this whole European tour could not have happened without my awesome sponsor. So let's hear a quick word from them. I just wanted to take a moment to let you know that this video and this whole European tour is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace empowers millions of dreamers, makers, and doers by giving them the creative tools that they need to bring their vision to life. I love Squarespace. I've personally been using Squarespace for like, I don't know, 5 years. I've built a ton of websites on Squarespace. My 1000art.com website is built on Squarespace. I love it. I use it. It's awesome. What's so great about it is they have these award-winning templates that are already beautifully designed. So all you have to do is take your awesome content and plug it into their beautiful templates and you're off and running. It's super simple. It's super easy. You don't need to know how to code. You just pop that stuff in there and it looks awesome off the bat, straight away. If you guys want to see a video where I made an entire Squarespace website in like 15 minutes, you can check out this video right here. A few of the things that I love about Squarespace is I can have my entire artist portfolio right there, my paintings, my illustrations, my murals, all kinds of stuff. And then just one click away is my entire e-commerce with my t-shirts and hats and hoodies. Having an online shop is a huge part of my business and a way that I support myself as an artist. They also have award-winning 24/7 customer support. So if you do get a little confused, if you do get a little bit lost, you can just hit them up and they'll help you through with whatever you got going on. So when you're ready to start your Squarespace site, go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. See if you like it. See if it's as easy as I say it is, which it is. And then when you're ready to publish, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off your first purchase. Link in the description. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring this European tour, buying me paint, getting me food. You guys are awesome. And yeah, thanks so much, Squarespace.
All the way from Linz, Vienna to this wall. You did it. You fucking did it, you madman.
You did it! You did it! Well, that is it. This is my final day in Vienna, painting with De.EdIllustrations. It's been super awesome. I really am feeling the black and white vibe. That was kind of this guy's idea. His robots, my crazy, trippy character coming together to make some magic under this bridge. Thank God for this bridge so we didn't get hailed on. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a like, drop a comment. Let me know what your favorite mural I've done in Austria is. Also, you can check out my website where I have tons of crazy art merchandise like t-shirts and hoodies and hats and leggings and all kinds of fun stuff. I do free shipping anywhere in the United States, and international shipping is available. A huge, huge, huge thank you to Squarespace for not only sponsoring this video, but for sponsoring my entire European tour. Shout out Squarespace. Go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off your first purchase. What do you think, man? Not about Squarespace, but about, but about this nonsense behind us.
I think it's badass. Kind of knocked it out in 2 hours, and it's pretty fucking awesome.
It's pretty fucking awesome. Wise words from a wise man. What am I forgetting? My Patreon. If you want to support me on a monthly basis, you can get exclusive access to behind the scenes content that you can't get anywhere else for as little as $2 a month. So do that if you wanna. Watch more of my videos if you wanna. I'm gonna make more murals and paint more art and kick it with this dude. See you next time. Thanks. We're out.